Southern Cal. Here 358, flying for around the Mojave Desert, Southern California, working this old Cobra 142 with the wave. Roger D600, Roger D600, no doubt about it. Same to you and a fine family. You guys stay safe up there around Northern Cal, no doubt about it, man. Whole lot of craziness going on in this world. Anyways, hey, hopefully you and a fine family take it easy, take care, and be safe on that end, no doubt about it. Here 358, Viper in the desert of California, working this bad Kojak Technologies, back reading the mail.
Now somebody told me back that was either Danielson or 225 in Georgia. It could have been either one because I got a big old hammer out of Georgia from Reverend Upper 455, but it could have been Danielson too. Motor mouth and all being nosy, I got down breaker.
And that's a 600 Roger. We'll catch you when we can.
63 hard drive. Mother Nature comes, Mother Nature goes. 63. Here's SDR setting. By the way, all the other airline things that you saw on my display.
Wrecking ball. Wrecking ball. 88 Mojave, California. Getting up right there.
Display, and it all went away. So, yeah, it's just a matter of the way the settings were in software, and I guess they glitched out. January, I thought I'd let you know what was going on out there. 163.
302, Northern Nevada, 302, the Mud Duck Station. We're trying out there, Skipland, 302, we're trying. Break.
Hey, 600, you start to see the mail, but it's 415 San Diego, store my 58 way back there.
How about 415 San Diego? How about it? 415 San Diego, 302, Northern Nevada, we're trying.
Hey, 302, can you say 510? You're doing, man. 302, you're snatching, blowing smoke right around the Tijuana border.
I do appreciate letting me know it's sounding good down there on the Tijuana border, no doubt. 302, the Mud Duck Station, we can, this is all we can do. We're trying, though. I do appreciate the flowers.
302, second choice out here. California, waving back.
Hey, waving right back there, Southern California. I do appreciate it. You're sounding mighty good up this way, too. Sounding mighty good up here, about 40 miles east of Reno, Nevada.
So, 10 point to Reno, Nevada. We'll take it easy up there till we do it again. 88, getting on down, play.
Hey there, 88 Mojave Desert. 88 Mojave Desert. You're sounding mighty fine up this way, no doubt. 302, Northern Nevada. Break.
Your signal come up. Hey, 163 hard drive. I switched over to the vertical.
I'll get back 325. 777, California. Mojave Desert, California.
Hello, Tier 163. Hello, Popcorn 913. I see you up in there. Motor mouth, step in the break there, yeah.